In this video, we're going to show you how to access your data centers in Sitefinity Insight and where you'll go to edit all of your data center properties and settings. So if you have multiple data centers in Sitefinity Insight and you're signed in, this is the page that you're going to be directed to when you go to the URL insight.sitefinity.com. Now in this example, you'll see all three of our data centers in Sitefinity Insight. We have Fusion Financial and Fusion Industries, which are connected to two separate websites that we built for demo purposes. And then we also have our data center here, which is connected to our website, smoothfusion.com. Now, if we click on that, it'll take us to the dashboard view in Sitefinity Insight for this data center. Now, if I want to create a new data center or need to edit the settings for my existing data centers, then I'll go to Administration, and then a few rows down, you'll see a button link to create a new data center. Or from my list here, if you go under Actions, you can select Edit Data Center, where you can edit any of the properties and settings. Now we'll give you a quick overview of the tabs here. Now if you ever need to remove a data center, you can do that under General Settings. Under Data Integration, I can manually upload data here, and I can see my configured external data sources. Now to clean up your data in Sitefinity Insight, you can go to the Data Cleanup tab, where you can remove visitors and delete or export personal data, or you can get a history of deletions and exports. You can also remove data sources from here as well. Now in the Traffic Filters tab, you can exclude external traffic from other IPs by creating a filter. And the nice thing is, by default, all known traffic from bots and web crawlers or spiders is excluded. Now if you go to the Contact Properties tab, this is where you can add a contact property and make any edits to your existing contact properties. And the next tab is where you'll find your API key, and this is helpful when you're ready to connect to external data sources. Under Authorized Applications, you can authorize a third-party application to access the personalization endpoints of Insight. Now, Sitefinity Insight will automatically generate user segments based on user activity. So here you can actually alter the algorithm behind this by choosing to exclude certain words from this automated segment discovery. Now the last tab is called Access, and this is where you can add users to access your data center in Sitefinity Insight. And here you can also manage the access of existing users. And that's it for this Sitefinity Minute. If you have any questions about Sitefinity or Sitefinity Insight, then reach out to our team.